Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 3rd. 1469 – Birth of Niccolò Machiavelli. Niccolò Machiavelli was born on May 3, 1469, in Florence, Italy. He became a famous political thinker and writer. His book The Prince gave advice on how rulers could gain and keep power. He believed leaders should be clever and sometimes ruthless. The word Machiavellian comes from his name and means tricky or cunning in politics. His ideas are still studied today. 1802 – Washington, D.C. becomes a city. On May 3, 1802, Washington, D.C. officially became a city. Named after George Washington, it was chosen as the U.S. capital. Congress gave it a local government with its first mayor. The city was designed to reflect the new American government. Today, it's the center of U.S. politics and home to major national buildings. 1947 – Japan adopts new constitution. Japan's new constitution took effect on May 3, 1947, after World War II. It was written with help from the U.S. and brought big changes. The law made Japan a peaceful country and gave more rights to its people. Women gained the right to vote, and the military was limited. It marked a fresh start for the nation. 1978 – First spam email is sent. On May 3, 1978, the first spam email was sent to 393 people on ARPANET. It was an ad from a computer company. Many users were annoyed and complained. This message started the trend of unwanted emails. Today, spam makes up a large part of internet traffic. It all began with that one email. 1986 – Bombing at Sri Lankan Airport. A deadly bombing happened on May 3, 1986, at the Colombo Airport in Sri Lanka. It was carried out by the Tamil Tigers, a militant group. Over 20 people were killed and many were injured. The attack targeted civilians and airport staff. It was an early sign of the long civil war ahead. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.